I think, in my opinion, that teaching is an art.
Mm,
And I think before we are teachers, of course, we are human beings. And as
yes.
human beings, we need that connection to make with people. Sometimes when you make things really dry and you focus strictly on acquiring knowledge and education, I think we're more emotional than that. People want to feel comfortable before they learn. You can't jump straight into learning without feeling comfortable. And it doesn't matter how smart you are, or it doesn't matter how many degrees you have. What matters is, can you build that connection with your students, build that trust, build that confidence so that they can begin to focus on themselves and bettering themselves in a language or any
Mm,
subject. I think it's more sensitive with languages. I've had professors in the past who have terrible personalities. They're very dry, they're very straightforward, no emotions, and they just lecture. Me personally, I can handle that. I can handle a professor who has no personality and just giving me strictly information. I can focus, I can concentrate, I can handle it. Other people get distracted more
mm,
easily. And I think that I'm lucky to realize that. And when I teach, I try
mm,
to adapt to every student because
mm.
everyone is so different and everyone comes from different backgrounds, especially when we're learning a language.